Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your Infiniti QX60. First, make sure your vehicle is completely stopped for safety. Then, navigate to the Settings menu on your car's display. From there, locate the Bluetooth option. If the indicator light is not illuminated, simply touch the key to activate the feature. This ensures your QX60 is ready to pair with your device. Now, let's pair your phone. Within the Bluetooth menu, select Connect Device, then Add New. On your mobile device, turn on Bluetooth and search for New Devices. You should see your Infiniti QX60 appear in the list. Select it. A PIN will display on both your phone and the car's screen. Confirm these numbers match, then touch OK on your vehicle's display to complete the pairing. Your QX60 can typically connect with up to 5 or 6 Bluetooth devices. To switch between them, simply press the phone button on your steering wheel and choose the desired device. If you encounter connection difficulties, try deleting the phone's profile from both your vehicle and the device itself, then repeat the pairing steps. For optimal sound, especially if Bluetooth audio quality is compromised, consider using a USB audio input. With your device connected, you can now enjoy Bluetooth audio. Press the Media button until Bluetooth audio mode appears on the display. You can control playback, pause, and skip tracks directly from your QX60 touchscreen. Additionally, you can make and receive hands-free calls, enhancing your driving safety. Remember to allow a brief moment after starting your vehicle for your phone book to fully update before making calls.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.